Hello friends, I am Dr. Syed Khajiruddin Chishti and I am teaching physics to BSc second year students. My today's topic is Fermi level and Fermi energy. We know that the electrons in an atom revolves around the nucleus in the circular orbit. As the energy increases, the electron will jump from one level to the another level in the higher energy states depending upon the temperature. As the temperature decreases, the energy of the electron will also decrease, but at 0 degree Kelvin, the energy of electron is not zero. So according to the Pauli's expulsion principle, only one electron can occupy one energy level. Only one electron can occupy one energy level. Therefore, the total number of energy states will be n for an atom. In each state with one electron, if I suppose that EF is the energy of the highest state, EF is the energy of the highest state at 0 degree Kelvin. So when we can say that when all states with energy greater than EF, if energy of the electron is greater than EF, then these states will remain empty, because we are considering that the electrons occupy in the highest state has the energy EF. If the state is above EF, then that state will be empty, and below EF, the states which are below the Fermi state EF, then all the states will be completely filled. So now we can define the Fermi energy as the energy value up to which all energy states are completely filled. The energy values up to which all energy states are completely filled at absolute zero, and above which all states are empty is called as the Fermi energy. It means that in the Fermi energy is that energy in which the all states above EF are completely empty and all states below EF are completely filled. So that energy is called as the Fermi energy. Now let us say that the occupation index of the electron, Fe, is equal to any number of energy state upon the cells G of E is equal to 0 for E greater than EF. Means when the energy is high, state is higher than EF, then this occupation index will be 0, that is the ratio of Ne upon Ge, that is the number of electrons to the number of cells, will be 0. And for energy less than EF, the states are completely filled. It means number of cells, number of electrons, number of particles will be equal to the number of cells, and N of E upon G of E is equal to 1. Both will be equal, means they are completely filled. From these two conditions, we can say that the alpha is equal to minus EF upon KT, as E is less than or equal to EF when T is 0 degree Kelvin, and alpha is equal to minus EF upon KT. The occupation index can be written as Ne upon Ge is equal to, for T equal to 0, I can write here 1 upon e raised to power minus EF upon KT into EF upon E upon KT plus 1, as T is equal to 0 here in this equation. Then it will become minus e raised to power minus infinity, e raised to power infinity, or we can say that 1 by e raised to power minus infinity plus 1, and that should be equal to. In other words, we can say that when E is less than or equal to EF, means energy is less than or equal to EF, then each state is completely occupied or each state is occupied. But for E is greater than EF at absolute 0, energy is greater than EF at absolute 0, and T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin, assuming that the alpha is equal to minus EF upon KT, then occupation index N of E upon G of E, that is the number of electrons or the particles upon the number of cells, is 1 upon e raised to power e minus ef upon kt plus 1. So here we can, if t is equal to 0, we can say that it is 1 by e raised to power infinity plus 1, and it will yield the answer as 0, means the occupation index is 0. If the occupation index is 0, then all the states above EF energy will be empty. Now what is the physical interpretation of this equation? The Fermi energy at absolute 0 is that energy. It represents the highest energy level at t equal to 0 degree, in which all the quantum states are occupied. What is physical interpretation? Fermi energy at absolute 0 is that energy which it represents the highest energy level at temperature T is equal to 0 degree Kelvin, in which all the quantum states are occupied, and for all the values, if Fe is equal to 1, for all the values when Fe is equal to 1, all the states are filled. We calculated Fe is equal to 1, then all the states are filled when when temperature T is greater than 0 degree Kelvin. As the temperature increases, then Fe will become, that is occupation index will become 1 upon 0 upon kt, e raised to power 0 upon kt plus 1, which will give you 1 by 2. 1 by 2, answer is half. It means that the 50% of the quantum states are occupied as the temperature increases.